Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at someone, or maybe it's yourself, and thought, I or them train consistently, they eat pretty well, I'm in better shape than most people, so why do I still feel like shit? Tight, tired, always dealing with something? Well, after working with thousands of clients over the last almost 3 decades, I can tell you this. This is way more common than you think. The fitness industry has sold you a very simple equation. You work out more, you get stronger, you feel better. But what I've seen over and over again, it's a little different. It's people getting fitter while their body actually feels worse. Fitness doesn't equal function. You can be strong and still move poorly. You can look fit and still have a body that's compensating everywhere. And over time, those compensations catch up. You're training muscles, not systems, because most programs focus on muscles, sets, reps, calories. And yeah, those are important. They're part of the system, but your body isn't just muscles. It's part of a bigger system, the nervous system, the fascia, breathing, even coordination in your movement. So if those aren't working together, you don't feel good, no matter how fit you are. You're always on. And this is the big one. This is a really big one, because most people I work with, they aren't undertrained, they're more overstimulated. Stress, poor sleep, always pushing, always go, go, go. So the nervous system never downshifts, so your body always stays tight or fatigued or reactive. So that's actually what needs to change things. It's not more workouts. It's not necessarily pushing harder. It's learning how your body actually works and training in a way that moves the dial, not the switch. So it restores movements, improves coordination, regulates the nervous system. This is where everything really shifts. And that's when people start to feel looser, lighter, stronger, more energy, less pain. Not because you're doing more, but because you're doing the right things relative to you. This is exactly what I focused on for decades now. Not just getting people fit. That's not as hard as you think when you use the right equation, but it's getting their body working the way it's supposed to. So if you're someone who trains consistently, yet still feels tight, tired, or beat up, and knows something just isn't clicking, well, that's exactly why people call on me. So if you're interested in learning more, comment reset below, send me a message. I'll walk you how we fix this step by step. See you in the next video.